welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you a recipe on how to cook spaghetti. So this is my hot water. I'm going to add salt and then I'm going to add my spaghetti. These are my spaghetti, so I'm going to just blend them inside. So you can cut them into two if you want, but for me I'm going to do them like this. So I'll let this to boil, but I'm not going to let it to overcook. So I'll let it to boil for like 10 minutes. 10 is a lot, like 5 minutes. Then I'll keep it aside and then we are going to prepare our sauce for the spaghetti. So let's dip this inside, slowly by slowly. So as you can see, our spaghetti are ready. So what I will do, I'm going to drain this water and then I'm going to add a little bit of cold water. This will help to stop the cooking. So I've just added my onion. So we are preparing our spaghetti sauce. I've used a bit of it. Don't mind that one. So I'm going to add my garlic. I'll then add my meat. Remember I didn't boil my meat, so this is a way for you to cook meat and it will be very soft. You don't have to boil your meat before cooking. So I'm going to cover this and let it cook. So let's add a little bit of salt before we do that. So we'll come back when the onions have cooked well and our saumu is well cooked. So as you can see, our onions are cooked and also you can see our meat is a little bit crunchy, and this is what we want. So our next step, we are going to add the spring onions. These ones, there's a flavor that it's a cream. Remember, you're not going to add too much salt since our spaghetti has salt already. And then I'm going to add my dhania stems. Please don't waste your stems. These ones, don't waste them. So let's add our hoho. Our tomato paste. We are going to add our paprika. Guys, after we added our tomatoes, this is the thick soup we have. So I'll let the tomatoes to fully cook. Let me first add the mchuzi, the Royco mchuzi, the chicken one, so that they can cook together. So this is what I'm using. Please try mixing the Royco mchuzi mix, the chicken one, with the Royco cube and your other spices. It always comes so nice. So I'm going to put this in water. So the mixture is the one that I'm going to put here. So let's wait for this, for the tomatoes to cook fully. You see our sauce is so thick. So I'm going to add my dhania. And go in with my spaghetti. So at this point you can switch off the gas. Our spaghetti is ready, and something I would really like to advise is, so for me, you can see how they are looking like. We had a new product in the market, so I wanted to try it, and you can see it didn't come out so well. So please, when doing this recipe, just try a better quality spaghetti. I don't want to show the product that I used, but please try what you have been using. Don't do like I've done. So guys, until my next video, bye bye.